In this video, I'll guide you through how to count customers with at least 3 orders in Tableau. Tableau is a powerful data visualization tool that allows you to analyze and present your data in an intuitive way. Today, we're focusing on a specific task, identifying customers who have made at least 3 purchases. This can be incredibly useful for understanding your customer base and identifying your most loyal customers. So let's jump right in. First, you'll want to start by visiting tableau.com. This is where you can access the Tableau software if you haven't already done so. Once you're on the Tableau homepage, make sure you're logged in or have the software open on your computer. Having your data ready and accessible in Tableau will make this process smooth and straightforward. Next, look for the Recents option. This is typically where your most recent projects and datasets are located. Clicking on Recents will help you quickly find the specific dataset that you want to work with. It's a handy way to jump back into your ongoing projects without wasting time searching through all your files. Once you've accessed your recent projects, select and click on the one you want to work with. Make sure it's the dataset that contains the customer and order information you need. Having the right dataset is crucial for accurate analysis, so double check that you're working with the correct data. Now let's move on to the more hands-on part. In the Tables section on the left side of Tableau, you'll see your data fields. Drag customer name to the rows area. This action will organize your data by customer, allowing you to analyze each customer individually. It effectively sets up a framework for you to examine the number of orders per customer. After that, drag orders account to the columns area. This step is essential because it will display the number of orders for each customer in a column format, making it much easier to visualize and compare. You'll start seeing how many orders each customer has placed. The next step involves dragging people to the rows as well. While this might seem redundant, it ensures your data is arranged optimally for further analysis. It helps Tableau recognize what you're counting and comparing, streamlining the process of filtering and visualizing your data. Now, drag orders account to the filters area. This is where you'll specify the criteria for your analysis. In this case, customers with at least 3 orders. Once you have it in the filters, you can set the condition to show only those customers who have made 3 or more purchases. This filtering is critical as it narrows down your dataset to focus only on your most active customers. Finally, after setting up all these elements, you can successfully count customers with at least 3 orders. The visualization should clearly show you which customers meet this criterion. This insight allows you to focus on these customers for any marketing or retention strategies you might have. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily count customers with at least 3 orders in Tableau. This quick tutorial aims to provide you with a straightforward method to enhance your data analysis capabilities. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.